Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So this is your first chapter of maths. The fish tell. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish. See the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. Swimming peacefully. Peacefully means calm. Peacefully. This special poem in 3 lines is called a haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. This is the first poem from Japan and this is the second. The lake calm, smooth, still, a fish jumps up and returns ripples shake the lake. Okay. The lake calm, smooth, still, a fish jumps up and returns ripples shake the lake. Do you know any poem about fish? मछली जल की रानी है. Yeah. Do you know any poem about fish? Here are some drawings made by children. Here are some pics, some drawings made by children. Okay. When you are thinking of fishes, what shapes come to your mind? When you thinking about fishes, what shapes come on your mind? Try to use a square and triangle to draw a fish. Okay. Try at home to make fish with the shape of triangle and square. Okay. Like this. This is the square shape and this is triangle shape. I have made the fish from these shapes. Try it. Okay. Look for fish designs around you. Have you ever seen the fish designs on your clothes, on mats, paintings and newspaper magazines? Okay, find it and collect it. Look for fish designs around you on clothes, paintings, on mats, etc. Mean means a fish. Okay. What is the mean of mean? Mean means a fish. And Meenakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. Okay. Suppose she is Meenakshi and her eyes look like as fish. Okay. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? Can you think? Okay. Draw a face with fish eyes. Okay. Draw a girl face whose eyes shape should be like fish. Okay. Try it. Fishes can have very different sizes. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. How long is the biggest fish you can imagine? I write here 18 meter because in your book here they give me this size. Okay, the biggest fish. How many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? Okay, so smallest fish is 1 centimeter long. Okay, and the bigger fish size is 18 meter. So we can find the biggest fish size is like this. Okay, so small fish size is 1 centimeter and biggest fish size is 18 meter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters and 18 meter equal to 100 into 18. So smallest fish size is 1 centimeter and biggest fish size is 1800 centimeters. Is it clear? Okay. So how many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale but is a big size, big fish. Okay, in size. Whales are different from fish. Whales and fishes are not the same. Okay, they are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do. Okay, we are breathe from nose na, so they are do the same through their noses, but fish have no noses. Okay, fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. They breathe from water. Okay, not air. Whales give birth to babies like human, but fish lay eggs. Okay, whales give birth to babies like humans. Okay, they not lay eggs. Okay, but fish lay eggs. The whale, shark, fish looks big and dangerous. Is it looking dangerous? It's very big and looks like very big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. It is not harmless. Okay, it does not attack humans. It does not attack humans, so don't fear it. One whale shark was as long as 18 meters. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size. Standing one on top of the other. Okay, one on the top of other, and guess what it weighed? Well, much more than what 12 of you. Just imagine, more than your 12 of you. Okay, its weight was about 16,000 kg. About how many kilogram do you weight? Just suppose your weight is 25 kg. Okay, so 12 children like you put together will weight about 300 kg, right? I am calculating here. 25 into 12, 300 kg. Whale 16,000 kg. So minus 300 kg is 15,700 kg. So about how much more does the what shark weight than 12 children like you put together? So 15,700. 16,000 minus 300. The result is 15,700 kg. Okay. The fish tail. To see the difference between whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Look carefully at their tails. What the difference between this? Can you see that the fish tail stands and flat along its body, but the tails of whale almost look like two legs, pointed 1 and 2. Can you spot the fish in the picture? This is the fish and this is whale. Okay, schools of fish. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called schools of fish. In their school they feel safe from the bigger fish. Okay, do you feel safe in your school? This is the group. This called is schools of fish. Okay, they feel safe and secure in these groups. To scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drinks up a lot of water, swell up and look bigger. This is small fish. To scare away the bigger fish, from bigger fish they feel scared. Okay, so they drink so much water, and the small fish drink up a lot of water and swell up and look big. They are small but look big because they drink too much water. Okay, Jinsi used these shapes to make drawings to fish. Make drawings of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals shown below. These shapes. You can also make fish from these shapes. Try at home. And this is your homework today. Okay. Today is your homework. Make fish shapes from these shapes. Okay. This is your homework. And make your copy and done this homework. Okay.